Hi guys, welcome to the class. In the previous classes, we have discussed introduction of the lesson and we have completed up to 2 exercises. Now let's move to the next topic, introduction to larger numbers. See, the largest five-digit number. As we know, the largest five-digit number is 99,999. See, if we had plus 1, the value becomes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The number becomes with 6 digit. So, this is the smallest 6 digit number. See, if this is the smallest 6 digit number, then the greatest 6 digit number is 9,99,999. If we add plus 1 to this also, then we get, see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 digit small digit number. Sorry. Smallest 7 digit number. And the greatest 7 digit number is 99,99,999. This is the greatest 7 digit number. Similarly, if we add plus 1 to this, then we get the smallest 8 digit number, which is the smallest 8 digit number. And the greatest 8 digit number is this is the greatest 8 digit number. Now, in this, we learn the place values of larger numbers and use of commas. See, first we'll know the place values of larger numbers. As we know the place values up to 10,000s. Ones, tens, hundreds, in thousands, we have thousands and 10,000s. After thousands, the next, here the number of digits is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then if we go to the 6th digit, the place value of this is lakhs. In lakhs we have lakhs and 10 lakhs. See, here 6 and number of digits 7. If we move to the 8, then the place value becomes crore. As in thousands and lakhs, 10 lakh, we have 10 lakhs and lakhs, 10 thousands and thousands. Same as in crores also we have crore and 10 crores. See, for example, consider this is as a number. See, 987654321. Consider this is as a number. Then we read this number as 98 crore 76 lakhs 54,321. See, for suppose we take another number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. See, in crores we have 1 and 2. It means 12 crores. In lakhs we have 3 and 4. It means 34 lakhs. In thousands we have 5 and 6. 56,000. In hundreds we have 7. In tens we have 8. In ones we have 9. So this number is read as 12 crores 34 lakhs 56,789. See, if we make this as a table, see, crore is divided, lakhs is divided, thousands is divided, hundreds and tens. See, here in lakhs there is 10 lakhs and lakhs. In crore we have 10 crore and crore. In thousands we have thousands. So, here, sorry, it comes here. This is the place value table. In thousands, lakhs, 10 lakhs, in thousands, thousands, 10 thousands, in crore, crore and 10 crore. Now, we have discussed the place values of larger numbers. Then, now we will know where to use commas in this number. Now, use of commas. As I told you, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Here, ones, tens, hundreds. Here we keep comma after hundreds. Then thousands, 10,000s. After thousands, we keep another comma. And lakhs, 10 lakhs. After lakhs completion, we will use another comma. See, you can observe that for first 3 digits, we have introduced a comma here. And here, the digits are 2, and here also 2, and here also 2. See, then for first comma, the number of digits should be 3, and for corresponding every 2 digits, we should use comma in between. See, here 2 digits, here 2 digits, here 2. Let's take another example, 7, 4, 6, 8, 3, 2, 1, 4, 3. See, for first 3 digits, we have to use 1 comma. And for corresponding every 2 digits, we have to use comma. See, after 2 digits, we use 1 comma. After 2 digits, we use 1 comma. And it read as, see, the place values are ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crore, 10 crore. So, it is read as 74 crore, 68 lakh, 32,143. See, now you know what are larger numbers and place values of larger numbers and where to use commas. Now, let's move into the exercise. Before moving to the exercise, let me tell you the relationship between crores and lakhs, crores and thousands, lakhs and thousands, and lakhs and hundreds. See, 1 crore. Here we have 1 crore. We have to write in terms of lakhs. See, here we have lakhs. Here we have crores. 1 crores in terms of lakhs. See, 1 lakh, 10 lakhs, 100 lakhs. Only in terms of lakhs. So, this is 100 lakh. If we write in terms of thousands, here we have thousands. Here we have crores. Let's start counting. 1,000, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs and crores. See, how we will relate? 1 crore is equals to 10,000 thousands. 10,000 thousands. Now, 1 lakh is equals to, we have to write lakh in terms of thousands. 1,000, 10,000, 100,000. So, 1 lakh is equals to 100 thousands. Now, in terms of hundreds, see, here we have hundreds and here we have lakhs. Let's start counting from here. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. So, 1 lakh is equals to 1,000 hundreds. See, 1 crore is equals to 100 lakhs and 10,000 thousands. 1 lakh is equals to 100 thousands and 1,000 hundreds. Now, let me tell you the expanded form of these larger numbers. Expanded form. For suppose you take this is as a number. See, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Assume this is as a number. Here we have 9, 10 crores. So, 9 into 10 crores. Plus, here we have 8 crores. 8 into crores. And here we have 7, 10 lakhs. So, 7, 10 lakhs. We have 6 lakhs. So, 6 lakhs. Here we have 5 10,000s. So, and we have 4 thousands. And we have 3 hundreds. And we have 2 tens and 1 ones. On simplification, we get 9 into 10 crores, 90 crores. Plus 8 into crores, 8 crores. Plus 7 into 10 lakhs, 70 lakhs. 6 into lakhs, 6 lakhs. 5 into 10,000, 50,000. Plus 4 into 1,000, 4,000. Plus 3 into 100, 300. Plus 2 into 10, 20. And 1 into 1, 1. See, this is the expanded form of the number 98 lakhs, 98 crores, 76 lakhs, 54,321. If you assume this is as a number, and then this is the expanded form of this number. Now you know the expanded form of the larger numbers also. Now let's move to the exercise.